What's going on YouTube? Modeling that back at you with another part to the Edmund Fitzgerald build. To be honest, the last couple of weeks have been a bit crazy. Just wanted to get a quick video out to you guys, as wasn't able to get one out last week either, and so yeah, to be honest, as much as it looks like a lot of work's gotten done, not much actually has. Work's just been a little bit on the extra crazy side, and literally had some stuff roll across my desk that wasn't really anticipating, which I'll show later in the video, so you can stick around to see that. But in the meantime, went ahead and started laying down the paints here onto the Edmund Fitzgerald. So went with two different colors. Went ahead and originally had tried to lay down a new color from Timeo, which is their LP18, which I believe was classified as whole red, but wasn't able to, or I'm sorry, dull red. There we go. That was it. So new to me, wanted to give it a shot. To be honest, I will use this, but I will use this on the main deck. The main deck was a little bit more of a reddish color, where the lower color was more of a maroon brown kind of hue. So went ahead and went with Mr. Color 29 over the top of that, which gets us this nice, maroonish color. To be honest, I wish I had went ahead and just shot it over some primer, because this is the funnel of it, which definitely looks a lot better, a lot more maroon. Really fits the color. So I am going to have to come back and touch in a couple of areas. You might see the white dot there. That is actually a chip of paint. Had, again, something on my desk, and that happened to bump into the hull here, chipped a bit of paint off, things like that. So once I got that laid down, masked off the lower hull, originally tried an old, bottle of flat red that I had, thinned with the remaining bit of enamel thinners that I had, but that didn't really lay down too well. So I actually went with Guards Red, which is an old Model Master pot that I have. Even though it's enamel, I did find that it seemed to work well with the generic Sunnyside enamel, lacquer thinners that I have. Always do some testing whenever you're mixing lacquers and enamels to make sure that they're gonna mix well and not turn to gloop. So, but that really went down pretty well. There is a little bit of variation in the color if you catch it in the light. To be honest, the camera here is not picking it up as much as what the naked eye will. You try to get maybe a higher vantage point so you can see kind of that color distinguishment that there is inside of the hull. See if I can maybe darken or lighten it. Yeah, there we go. If I darken it a little bit, you can kind of see it. It's just where, again, I didn't have a solid color down first with reds. Make sure if you want a solid looking color, spray a singular color. So the gray, I polished a lot of it back to kind of get rid of a lot of the roughness on the bottom. That then caused this. To be honest, if I was having this on a display stand that people could pick up and hold and look at, looking all over the ship, I'd probably go ahead and fix that. Given the fact that you can't really see it when it's in the shadows on the actual stand, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to go ahead and proceed on. So yeah, just kind of getting a little bit of fuzz off of this. Like I said, it's been a wild week here since I've been able to actually get the red down. Use some reference shots of the Edmund Fitzgerald in dry dock to try to get kind of the appearance of that. So like I said, I'll come back. Might use another color that I believe it was Timeo put out. Seeing if I can find it really quick in my pots of paint. Yeah, I can't seem to find it. I believe. Yes. Let me excuse the crickety old chair that I have. But a color that I might come back in with for some of the touch-up work and things like that is XF9, which is, to me, his version of Whole Red. It's just a little bit darker than the Whole Red that Mr. Color puts out. To be honest, it just depends on your preference. Given the fact that I'm also going to weather this, I want to go ahead and just kind of give it, some striations of darker color, just to break it up so it doesn't just look like, a brick or something like that. So, but yeah, so again, noted earlier that I had a couple of things rolling on my desk here this week. So my current position, we had some G-scale trains that had some problems with them. This is a Bachmann Mogul, and I'm sorry, 260. Yeah, basically had worn down the, or I'm sorry, this one's from LGB. Apologize, this one's not the Bachmann, but had some gears wear down, so getting some new ones in. Basically just did a refurbishment of a lot of different engines that they had this week. So it was kind of nice getting the chance to use my other talents with model railroading to do something for my work, that was able to get some stuff cleared up. But again, that took a lot of time in the evenings this week to get that done. So didn't get the opportunity much for working on the old Fitz, but here coming up within the next couple of weeks, plan on really pushing ahead on this, trying to get this onto the base, get the top colors down with the deck, and then start working on the various superstructures to get them built. At this point, haven't really touched any others other than just getting the main superstructure items into primer. For that, just used a basic spray down Mr. Surfacer 500 just to kind of fill in all the gaps, stuff like that. So yeah, kind of had a busy couple of weeks here, but thank you for all the new subscribers. Welcome, and looking forward to bringing you more content as I get this build out of the way, and then kind of getting some ideas as to what I want to be my next build. So if you have any questions, comments about anything with any of my videos, definitely feel free to post a comment. Usually try to get back with everybody pretty quick. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Peace.